Guys, welcome back to my channel, Kelman Explores. Right now we're actually headed into town. We're going to do some shopping for our upcoming cruises. We're going to Burlington Coat Factory, one of the best places on the planet for coats and a lot of other stuff. But we also have some news coming up, and stay tuned and you're going to hear about it on our upcoming cruise. We got a good surprise in the emails today. So basically what happened is we applied for an upgrade with Celebrity Cruise Line and we got it. We didn't get the one we really wanted, but we got one that we bid on, and we bid the minimum upgrade, $125 a person, and we got upgraded from an ocean view room to prime concierge class infinite stateroom balcony, I think is the name. I'll put it up there better, and I'm gonna put some stuff in the background right now. We priced it out right, and it would have been over $3,700 for us to get that room right now. And ooh, the sun just got me. We ended up paying initially $2,200, which is kind of high for us, but with the upgrade we ended up paying about $2,500 total. That does include our gratuities. It is worth it to apply if you can afford it for the bid to upgrade, and I think all Royal Caribbean brands do that. So we're excited to tour that and to have all the access that the concierge class gives you. There's a lot of perks. There's, I think, a gift waiting for us in the room, and then we're gonna have sparkling wine and canapes and hors d'oeuvres delivered daily. I think the wine only once, but the canapes and hors d'oeuvres daily. And we get different other things, priority embarkation and debarkation. We get priority for dining room reservations and all that stuff. But anyway, just stay tuned for that. That's coming up soon in about 11 days, maybe less. I'm not sure when you're gonna see this. But right now we're heading into town and we're gonna buy a coat for our upcoming London trip, or at least look at them. We may not buy them. Look at the different coats that we need, because it's gonna be cold. Right now it's 40 degrees is the high in London, and it's not even the coldest month, which is actually January, and that's the time we're going. So stay tuned for that. We'll see you in town. Burlington. So we're gonna run into Burlington to look for a coat, because I don't have a coat, and we're also gonna get a cruise concierge class outfit. Cruise, yeah.
It kind of like cuts into your peripheral vision.
Well, that cold air is going to cut into your peripheral.
Oh, yeah, that's true, I guess. But I don't know. I feel like I'm just going to like bump into things and not know. Like,
it looks very warm, and I like that it's like, I think it's somewhat waterproof.
It has velvet pockets, which is nice.
And it's $44.
$39.99.
40 bucks.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, I put my thumb in this and didn't even know it has like cool little thummy things.
There you go.
But I don't know.
XOXO, whatever that is.
It's cruelty-free, 100% vegan fur.
So that's a maybe.
No baby seals were killed in the making of this.
Aww.
Or rabbits. Or minks.
DOGs.
Oh.
Ooh.
Onward.
Onward.
I don't know, like, it's not as long as the other one. Let's try it on.
It's a lot lighter weight, though. I think it'd be able to pack it easier.
Well, it's lighter because there's less
Feel.
That one's a little tight.
You definitely stand out in this.
It doesn't have sleeveys.
Yeah, it's a cheaper one. It's got.
It doesn't have a hood.
Oh wait, here's one.
Yeah,
It's a good color.
Is it?
It's not too bright. Maybe you should try on this one. It says Calvin Klein.
Hold on. Hold everything. This, okay, it doesn't quite fit, but it makes my 90s heart so happy. Can you guys see me? Am I shimmering? Am I shimmering? Can you see it?
It's very much retro garbage bag. It looks on camera.
This is a fancy garbage bag. I don't know what you're talking about. This is not great value.
It looks like it's flammable.
Maybe the pyrotechnics on stage when I'm singing.
Wow, you found the cheapest one, Michael Kors.
Yeah, take a stab at how much you think it is.
$79.99.
Close.
Whoa. But that's a low price. I like it though. Yeah, that looks really warm.
Pretty warm. I didn't do the hood test.
It's got a flattering cut too. It's cut more feminine than other jackets. That looks really warm.
It's pretty nice in here.
Ooh, that feels... I thought I felt the claw on there. Looks like I could have this one in either navy or orange.
Da, 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 da. Go, Gators!
Yeah, navy. I did have a Michael Kors over here. Where's this one? This is my Michael Kors.
Ooh, try it on. How much is it?
$80.
Oh.
They've got it on lockdown.
I think that I was born to be a snow person.
Got a big enough zipper.
Oh my god, are we matching Michael Kors?
Do I have a hood?
Oh my.
I don't have a hood.
Oh no.
But I got a lot.
You gotta pay an extra $20 for the hood.
I could basically turn this into the hood. Hey. Hey guys.
That looks stylish. Is this it? Did we find our jackets? Ugh.
I don't... Like mine's a little too bulky for me, but I guess that's the point.
All this like faux fur is making me itch.
It's a nice coat. It looks bulletproof.
Can I punch you and see?
No.
Ready? 1,
I just hate that type
2,
of... No, I'm good.
3.
This is a little bit much. Look at that.
You have way more coat options than me.
Huh?
You have more coat options than me.
All right, as you can see, I settled on this one. It was pretty cheap, 25 bucks. Stay tuned to watch me wear this in Europe and the Northern European cruise in January. And stay tuned coming up in December, early December, maybe mid-December, about Celebrity Ascent and our upgraded room, the room we bid on and won successfully. It comes with a lot of perks. It's the Prime Concierge class with infinite balcony. So it comes with a lot of things. We even get binoculars in the room to look out over the balcony and look out. We can't take them off the ship, but it comes with binoculars. It comes with a few other things, so stay tuned. I'm really excited about that. That's a nice perk, and we saved money by doing it. So always bid, even if you can only afford like us to bid on the minimum, bid on the upgrades. The Royal Up or the Royal Next or the Celebrity Royal bid up, and we can't wait to tour that room with you and the rest of that ship, Celebrity Ascent, coming up in December. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this stay out with us. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you can, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to see more. Bye.